How to enable keyboard sound on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to enable keyboard sound on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This is where you control all the sound settings on your device. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and you will find an option called Keyboard Clicks. Simply toggle it on. Now, go to your Notes or Messages app and start typing. You should now hear satisfying clicks with every keystroke. And that's it. In just a few taps, you have added some personality to your typing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.